Welcome to a how-to video from AnimalCare software. New enhancements. Group splits and merges, and copying checklist. Group split. I'm showing off these new enhancements from our demo site. Now if you click on the details icon, you will see that there's some new options for split animal and merge animals. Let's click directly on the link to the details page. Now on the details page, you will see a drop-down box next to Edit Animal. I'm going to select Split Animal. At the top, you will see that there's two options to split the information into a new animal or a new animal group. I've selected New Animal Group, and I'm going to put my count for the new group in here. This is a group of individuals, and the reason for the split I'm going to select here is moving to new enclosure, although you can add your own reasons as well. I'm going to select Yes to copy the existing medical records to this new record, and give this new group its name, Yellow Tang Group B. Now I can give this group a new house ID. So let's add it here. I'm going to select house ID and then add the number. Notice that you can see the previous identifiers here so that we don't accidentally use any previous IDs. F003B. Now I'll just save this new group, Yellow Tang Group B. Group merge. Here you can see we have several different groups of Madagascar hissing cockroaches. From the details icon, I'm going to select Merge Animal. So I've selected Roach Group D. I'm going to choose from my animal, and in this case I'm going to be choosing from the animal group and select Roach Group A. So here you can now see the two groups that I'm going to merge. The new existing count is a combination of the two group counts. Now I will select the reason for the merge. I'm going to select combining into an enclosure. I recommend to copy the existing medical records. And now we will give this combined group a new name. I will name it Roach Group AD in reflection of a combination of groups A and D. Here again I will give a new house identifier. AR002AD. Now I will save, and here is our merged group. Copy checklist. We are going to click on Administration and go to Checklist Management. I'm going to select the checklist for Deep Clean. You now have an option to copy or edit a checklist. I'm going to select Copy and give this new checklist a name. You can add additional checklist items to this new checklist. I'm going to add one that a supervisor can check off at the end of the completion of this task. I will select Save, and we have our new checklist. Thank you for watching this how-to video. Please contact me with any comments or questions, or if you'd like to set up training for your facility, you can reach me at dave@animalcaresoftware.com.